What's going on, viewers? Welcome back to another episode of Everything Wild and Untamed. Sorry about it's been a while since we've done a video. There's been a few little things that we had to sort out, but yeah, they're sorted out now. Anyways, we've got two new channels that we use. Mine's called Simply Wild, so give us a check out and give us a sub, like, all that. And we got Keithy down the back here, he's got a channel also. What's yours, mate?
Mine's called Crooked Casting Adventures. Come have a look, mate.
So yeah, anyways, we're gonna get stuck into some fishing. So yeah, catch up soon. Putting the boat in. Beautiful afternoon. Big budgie in there. Oh, yuck. Oh, wow.
First thrown.
I haven't done this so well.
Oh, you know when I was telling you I went and seen them crab pots?
Mm.
Did I tell you that Scotty got bit?
No.
What made it even more funny is he literally said before he got bit, he's like, I'm probably gonna get bit. I don't give a fuck because I'm drunk. Then he puts his hand in. And
Oh, wow.
and I was like, this stupid cunt.
What you caught there, mate? Stickfish.
Nothing.
I got him on camera.
Nothing. Got another.
Fuck, I know one thing, the midges are bad today. Aren't they, mate?
Yeah, mate, I feel like doing Aboriginal shag leg.
You doing the shaker leggy in a boat? Check him out.
Hey, courage. Oh, bro.
Oi? Am I being stick? He's on.
Nice little jack, by the looks of that.
Yeah, little jack. There's all.
Blow.
Well, he did his Barra dance, even though it's the jack, but anyway. Oh, that's his jack dance. Oh, check him out. There's all. Nice little fish, bro.
Get some centimeters on him or what?
Yeah, we'll get some centimeters on him.
I mean, he's gonna be under, but
Yeah. It's all in the name of it, mate.
fishing in the name of. Hey. We used to be friends, Jack. We'll go with. I'm trying to be difficult on myself here. Lift that up. Bring him back a bit more. He is 29.
29.
Nice little Jackie poos. One for Keithy.
None for me. We're gonna get one, fellas. It's on.
Yeah, okay. Look at that. You don't at least get a cod off that?
I'm gonna retire, I think. That's bullshit.
With life. As it is.
Oh, got him.
Oh, he's on. Cod. Exactly what I said. Nice size cod.
Yeah, it's pretty decent, eh? Oh, huh.
Let's follow you right or what?
Ever.
Yeah.
Solid, mate. Solid.
Got her. Oh. A little bit shy, bro. A little bit shy. Kitty runs off the wall. Look at that. That's right. I can confirm there's nothing there, mate.
Falls short by a mile.
Barra.
On my bad side now.
I didn't even know you had a good side.
Push! It's off.
Still on. I'm still on. Little
Barra. Oh, he dropped it at the bait!
That doesn't.
Oh no!
Even though it was a little barra, that would have put me in front, bro.
Oh!
You're a killer.
How's it feel, mate?
Little silver poofter.
That's gotta suck.
You're kidding me.
Oh
You're
no!
kidding me.
He's devastated.
You are joking, mate.
No, you go. Go. I'll go around this side. And then I'll come back this way. Oh, got him.
Are you on?
Yeah, bro.
What do you got, barra?
Yep.
Nice little barra. Oh, you're lucky.
Oh!
You are so lucky.
It's in the boat, mate. Filming you, filming me.
I'm filming me.
Get the
filming,
barra in there too.
Me filming you, filming me, filming you.
Oh no, what do you reckon, mate?
I reckon 20.
Don't bite me, you bastard. Leave me alone.
No, it can't be 20.
Oh, get in there. 34. Nice little barra at sunset.
Get out of my boat.
Hey, get out of his boat, you reckon? Because Nathan's winning.
Oh no. And I'm running out of sunlight too, so it's just even worse.
See, mate. Oh, well, legends. That's it for this episode. Nathan won, 2-1. At the moment, we're still fishing though. Bear, what you got to say, mate?
Who invited you?
He's salty because I beat him.
Hey, that's what I said last time.
I took his line and everything.
Oh, killer. Nah, it's been a good day. It's been, you know, ages since we've fished together. You know, we've both been doing fucking shit that's you know, been important. It's just good to get back in the boat with my brother and have another go. And unfortunately, I mean, I've won 90% of our fishing fucking.
You got to give me one, eh?
Exactly right. Gotta let the little brother at least have a bit of fun. Nah, it's been great. I've enjoyed it. Been a nice afternoon for it. And yeah, the only bad part about it is we just ran out of sun. Otherwise, we'd still be out fishing for you.
Yep. Alright, and legends, we'll catch us up on the next episode, eh? Peace out.